What's up guys, it's Flash. You want proof that Tim Sykes is a snake? You want to stay tuned for this video? What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. So guys, my last Tim Sykes video, I got absolutely butchered. So guys, my last Tim Sykes video is here. I got absolutely destroyed on the dislikes and the comments were horrendous. Someone showed them the comments.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
But I do listen to my fans and I also listen to my haters. You guys asked for proof and I wasn't given proof that Tim Sykes is a snake. My last video was just my opinion on Tim Sykes. So this video I want to give you proof and see at the end, do you agree or disagree with me? If you're a Tim fan, just hear me out. Just stay tuned to the end of the video. And if you still don't like what I have to say, I appreciate your view anyway. But I'm open to all suggestions on feedback. What I'm going to show you is my reaction to a video that his friend done. And you can just tell me if he's a snake or not. I think this is proof enough to prove he is a snake. So before we get into the video guys, I'm not going to ask you for a like just yet. Do keep that to the end of the video. I want to see does it deserve a like or dislike from you guys, and any feedback's really important to me. So I just want you to listen very carefully to the video I'm going to show you and see maybe did you guys fall for some of these tricks. I have, and that's why I decided to make this video. I really hope you enjoy it. Let's jump straight into the reaction guys.
He teaches people how to make money by trading stocks. He tells you buy, sell, etc., right? And what he decided to do is he's like, if you want to be in my program and pay me $7,000 or $10,000 a year.
$7,000 to $10,000. Okay? Just watch.
Whatever his program costs, is actually pretty expensive. The guy crushes it. He's like, you gotta first do these homework assignments. Think about it that way. He's telling you, if you want to give me money, you gotta do homework. Right? This is worse than college. Right? I was like, this can't be working, right? So he taught me something. You need to train your visitors to buy. You gotta teach them to open up emails. You gotta teach them that if they do something, they can get a reward. So he did that.
I just want to stop. I fell for this trick as well. When I was getting into day trading, Tim Sykes says sign up for the programs and he has a lot of free training on his books, but he wants to give you homework. What you know is he's building you up for this big sale to drop this $7,000 to $10,000 bomb on people who usually can't afford it. Not only that, his friend is admitting it's a scam of sales, that he's preparing you to buy his course for that amount of money. But what he's doing is he's absolutely wasting your time in the homework assignments he's signing you up for. And this fella's laughing about it. He said, if I can get them to do it, they're going to pay me. You probably done the homework assignments. They're absolutely crap. Waste of time. He just keeps talking about himself, his millionaire students, and his book. But let's get back into it.
So he did that. In essence, he's making people do little micro commitments, tasks. So every time he emails them a homework assignment, he doesn't just give it to them in an email. He makes them click to go to a web page to then see the homework assignment. Then they got to click play on a video. Do you know why he's making them click all these times? He wants the user to understand that if you want the benefit is free information. The homework assignments actually teach you how to be a better stock trader. You have to click. Without the clicking, you're not going to get the benefit. So that way, when he says, hey, here's an offer. Do you want to buy this? $5,000, $10,000, $20,000? What did he already teach you to do? Click. Not just click the add to cart. He also taught you to click the credit card fields and click the buy button. It works extremely well.
So there you go. We're not finished. This is only the start of it. Okay, so this guy's even saying, what's he teaching you to do is click. He's giving you free education, he's claiming. He's not. If you don't believe me, go check it out yourself. Go check out what his homework assignments is, and then come back to me and tell me you've learned something from his homework assignments.
It works extremely well. Results, 84.7% increase in revenue. Now think about that. Giving someone a homework assignments increases revenue. I'm determined to create a millionaire trader in Las Vegas. My only question is, will it be you?
Now you have to agree with me. Have you seen I'm willing to create a millionaire trader in whatever town you're in? I've seen these ads, I've seen these on Tim's website over and over again. So if you have seen these, let me know what you think, and this guy is going to tell us why he does it, and the computer automatically picks up on your IP address, finds out where you are and targets it directly at you. No more making a millionaire student out of me than anyone else. This is scammy behaviour, and this is snaky behaviour. Check out the rest of the video.
Heck, he doesn't service, and nor do I. We don't service people in Hamburg, Germany, but if you go to the page, it'll show up Hamburg, Germany if you're in Hamburg, Germany, right?
There you go. He's openly saying, we don't service in these countries. But if you go on it, it's picking up your IP address, and it's going to show up that we want you as the next millionaire student in your town. It's crazy, and these are snaky marketing tactics. He's penetrating on people's weaknesses. If you don't think he's a snake yet, bear with me one more minute.
That's what we did. Then we also took this data and decided to throw it throughout all the steps, from geo, popping in the name, changing it to a multiple step process instead of single, so that way people are actually feeling special throughout the whole sign up process. You know what happened? 68% increase engagements. So conversions jumped roughly 30% from signing up, but engagement was more important. What I mean by engagement, I'm talking about LTV of the customer. Customers were staying 68% longer.
So from him doing this snaky behaviour, picking up where you are and potentially personalising it and making it a direct arrow in the heart for you, he jumped up by 60% his sales. So this guy is just telling you, is a snaky behaviour.
And I know that may not sound like a big deal, right? But it's really hard to keep customers. If your customer is really staying for a year and you're getting them to stay for an extra 7 months, that's huge, right? That's 7 months worth of extra money. So personalizing a site, making people feel special like they do on the dating sites, can really help you grow your revenue.
That's crazy, okay? He is standing on stage exposing Tim Sykes for the snaky marketing tactics that he uses. He just said it. We don't service people in some parts of the world, and people are writing saying, hey, I'm close to, for example, Las Vegas. Can I take part in your millionaire challenge? I want to be the next one. He's building you up in terms of his website, the way it's designed to increase, giving you value in the homework he's sending you. So he's building you up for that huge sale. It's all gimmick. It's an absolute gimmick. I wanted to make this video to come at you guys to say, you wanted proof. I don't know how much more proof I can give you. Granted, there's probably some successful students that he has made. I'm not going to disagree with that. But I'm telling you, 98% of them is a waste of time. They overpaid for what they got. And he has a huge fan base, so I'm probably going to get slaughtered for this, but I really don't care. I don't know, it just shocks me. It really shocks me. When I seen this video, I said I have to put this out there to let people know. I fell for those tricks. You probably have too. If you're a successful trader and Tim taught you, you're probably not successful because of Tim. You're successful because of yourself. His educational system is not great, but I'm not going to talk about that in this video. You want to prove he's a snake? I gave you proof he's a snake. I want to thank you for watching the video. Now, if I deserved your like, do hit the like button, or if you deserve a dislike, hit the dislike button. I'll figure it out from there. All I want to say is I appreciate your support for watching. If you're a Tim fan, I don't mean to hurt your feelings, and I'm not creating this video to start storm. I'm just literally creating a video because I feel he's a scam. I feel this is evidence and proof to prove he's a scam, in my opinion. Okay? But if you're a successful trader on Tim, good on you. I'm proud of you. You should be a successful trader. Everybody deserves to be a successful trader. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Remember, guys, if I did deserve the like, please smash it. If you're interested in looking at Learn How to Trade Stocks, the Flash Forward course is out now. Check the link out, guys. Good night and God bless.